Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make a delicious catfish stew. I'll start by cleaning the catfish. To that, I'll add salt. I'll squeeze lemons on the catfish. You can use lime as well. The salt and the lemon helps to remove the sliminess from the catfish. I'll leave it to stay for some time and I'll use a knife to scrape the body of the catfish until the catfish is nice and clean. When the fish is clean, rinse the fish very well. And transfer the catfish to a cutting board. Use the scissors to cut off the fins from the catfish. And I'll slice the fish. I'll clean inside the fish. I'll rinse the fish and season with dried pepper, onions powder, or purple season, salt. Mix them together. I'll cover and leave the fish to marinate for 20 minutes. I'll be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, onions. I'll clean them up and transfer them inside the blender. Add a little bit of water and I'll cover the blender. And blend. Once that is done, I'll set that aside. In a pot, I'll add oil. When the oil is hot, add garlic, onions, and stir. I'll fry it for about 2 minutes. Add the blended peppers and tomato mix. Stir. I'll cover and leave the stew to cook on a medium heat. After some time, I'll give it a stir. I always reduce the heat of the stove before opening the pot so it won't splash everywhere. I'll season with seasoned powder, salt, stir. You can use any season of your choice for this recipe. I'll cover and leave it to cook for some time. When it cooks a little bit more, I'll give it a stir. So for stew, you want to keep stirring it so it won't get burnt. I'll add the marinated catfish. I'll stir. Fish does not take time to cook. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 20 minutes until the fish is done. After 20 minutes, the fish is done. I'll finish up the stew with fresh basil leaves. Give it a gentle stir. Taste, adjust the season if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. The catfish stew is ready. I'll turn off the stove and I'll serve it with rice. The stew tasted so delicious. Will you be trying it out? And did you enjoy watching this video? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.